The famous founder of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, said, "The thing that we are trying to do at Facebook is just help people connect and communicate more efficiently." You are better off trying something and having it not work and learning from that than do nothing anything at all. Move fast and break things. Unless you are breaking stuff, you are not moving fast enough. Some people dream of success, which others wake up and work hard at it. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risk. When you give everyone a voice and give people power, the system usually ends up in a really good place. I always tell people that you would only hire people to be on your team if you would work for them. Don't discount yourself, no matter what you are doing. Everyone has a unique perspective that they can bring into the world. People don't care about what you say, they care about what you build. Helping a billion people connect is amazing, humbling, and by far the thing I am most proud of in my life. We don't build services to make money, we make money to build the services. Instead of building walls, we can help building bridges. The great success comes from having the freedom to fail. By giving the power to share, we are making the world more transparent. Don't let anyone tell you to change who you are. Our society needs more heroes who are scientists, researchers, and engineers. We need to celebrate and reward the people who cure diseases, expand our understanding of humanity, and work to improve people's life. We look for people who are passionate about something. In a way, it almost doesn't matter what you are passionate about. It takes courage to choose hope over fear. People can be really smart or have skills that are directly applicable, but if they don't really believe in it, they are not going to really work hard. I think a simple rule of business is if you do things that are easier first, then you can actually make a lot of progress.